Do your photos still suck? In part 2 of our framing and composition tips that can help immediately, we're going to talk about leading lines. Now, what are leading lines? Leading lines are elements within your environment that can help to create a visual pathway towards your subject. Things like roads and fences are perfect examples of this. Let's jump in and take a look at a few examples. In our first photo taken at a reception exit, you can see the rails on either side of the couple are going to lead you naturally up towards them. In the next photo, you can see that the vineyard hedge lines are going to lead you naturally down towards the couple. In our final photo, you can see that the wall leads you towards our couple. As a bonus tip, we also have a frame within a frame. Now in our next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about frame within a frame and symmetry. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.